it is officially 2020 tax season, and I want to try to increase your benefit as much as possible. The third stimulus package hasn't been signed into law yet, but the way things are written, it looks like $1,400 is going to be the amount an eligible adult can expect to receive. That's also true, though, for eligible children. So if you're a taxpayer married filing jointly and you have 2 kids, you could technically be receiving up to $5,600 in stimulus benefits. Of course, eligibility depends on your income. So $75,000 was the threshold for a single taxpayer, and then $150,000 for married filing joint. The IRS is using the income reported on your previous tax return to determine your eligibility for the stimulus check. So now you need to quickly decide if you want 2019 or 2020 to be used to determine your eligibility. So for example, if your income fell in 2020, you need to file your tax return as soon as possible to signal to the IRS to use this new income number as a threshold to determine your eligibility. And on the contrary, if your income stayed the same or even went up, it might be in your best interest to actually delay, so that when this package is passed and they start determining eligibility for the income levels, the IRS is going to have no choice but to use the previous tax return, aka last year's in 2019. The same strategy applies if you had a child in 2020. The IRS would not know that based on your 2019 tax return, so therefore you might be eligible for more benefits. But you're going to leave that money on the table if the IRS doesn't know this. So again, it could potentially be in your best interest to get your 2020 taxes filed yesterday. Also, if your income is around that $75,000 mark or $150,000 married filing jointly, it might be in your best interest to try to reduce your taxable income so that you actually become eligible for a higher benefit. You could do that by maxing out HSA contributions, IRA contributions, or a few other areas that you could reduce your taxable income and then make you eligible for higher stimulus benefits. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy building wealth.
24 real good time, 2 10s, I'm not trying to go crazy.